Hi everyone. So in this video, I will talk about the chi-square test about in your last assignment. The first question. So it may not be clear when I talk about in the lab session. So I record this video to make the problem more clear for you. So I will use the problem in your last assignment as an example. For example, in this problem set, we need to conduct a chi-square test test of associations between variable eBay and between variable eBay and the quality of engine, where the quality of engine is put into 3 groups. So let's say our data set, the eBay is just a dummy data, a dummy variable. If eBay equals to 0, that means the trade does not happen on eBay. But if eBay equals to 1, that means the trade happens in eBay. And the engine, I found some of you use the average quality, the variable average, ERAG, average quality. However, in this assignment, we need to use the variable engine rather than the average quality. So let's say the variable engine, there would be 4 different values within this variable 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the assignment, we only need to split the engine into 3 groups. Like the first group is engine less than 3, the second one is engine equal to 3, the last one is engine equal to 4. So that means when we insert a pivot table about the associations between eBay and engine, and then when we copy and paste the pivot table in our second step, we need to, in my case, I just manually calculate the frequency number for engine less than 3. Okay, so that's it. First, we need to insert a pivot table to explore the association between those 2 variables. And then we put eBay to values panel and also the rows panel. After that, we put engine into the columns panel. So in the values panel, we need to change the value field settings, change from sum to count. So here it is. So here is the association table between eBay and engine. And then I just copy and paste. Remember, we need to split the engine into 3 groups. One is a combination of engine equal to 1 and engine equal to 2. The second group is engine equal to 3. The last group is engine equal to 4. So in my case, I just combine 1 and 2 manually. Example here, I copy and paste. So here's less than 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And here 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. And I delete these columns. Then I copy and Also, I deleted the blank columns. We don't need that. And then I copy and paste this table again. Clear the content for this area. So the first cell would be vertical sum times horizontal sum divided by ground sum. I want to fix the vertical sum. I want to fix. So here I fix the horizontal sum and I fix the total sum. And I just drag to right. I can get all those numbers. So here is vertical sum times a fixed number of horizontal sum divided by the total number. So to the right, then I got all those numbers. So for the try-test value calculation, we need to use the try-test function. By using this function, we just get a p-value, and then we need to compare the p-value to 0.05. So if the p-value in any test, if the p-value is less than our significance level, then we reject the null. So the first argument within the try-test function would be the actual range. And the second argument would be the expected range. So let's say our p-value is equal to 0.56 is significantly greater than the 0.5, our significance level. So that means we cannot reject our null. And also the null hypothesis in the try-test would be there is no difference between the actual value and the expected value. So the alternative hypothesis would be that there is significant difference between those two groups. So in our case, we cannot reject the null. That means there is no difference between those two groups. This one is the actual. This one is the expected. So that's all for the try-test. Thank you very much.